Problems on equivalent resistance or equivalent, simple to complex. Number 1. Here two resistors are connected in series. Here first S is the starting point, E is the ending point, and second resistor is connected to the first resistor of ending point and second resistor of starting point. Here 2 ohms and 3 ohms. In series we have to add the resistance. That's why R total is equal to R1 plus R2. R total is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 amperes. Number 2. We have in this we have 3 resistors are connected in series, R1 plus R2 plus R3. First resistor is equal to 1 ohm, second resistor also 1 ohm, third resistor also 1 ohm. R total is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 ohms. R total is equal to 3 ohms. Then let's discuss about parallel connection. In this parallel connection, we have I total is equal to I1 plus I2, because we have in this parallel connection one node is there. In that node the current is divided I1 I2. I total is equal to I1 plus I2. According to the KCL, the sum of the current entering into the junction is equal to the sum of the current leaving the junction. R equivalent formula: 1 by RT is equal to R1 plus R2 by R1 into R2. Then we can modify R total is equal to R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2, or other formula 1 by RT is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus so on up to so on. 1 by RT is equal to 1 by 2 into plus 1 by 3. 1 by RT is equal to 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6. 1 by RT is equal to 5 by 6. Thank you for watching this video.